Gun Freak Nation, it's the president, T Electric, and this video is being sponsored by ShootersGate. I want to give a special shout out to the good people over there at ShootersGate for sending out this immaculate, quality, solid flashlight laser combo. Now, I had this on one of my firearms, my KSG, and boy, oh boy, it held zero as far as the laser go. This right here, it's the model VGC. Man, this is solid. You hear me? I have it on my KSG, my Caltech KSG. As you can see, it's a 1600 lumen flashlight laser combo with the different modes where you got the different lighting settings. You have the strobe mode, and you have the green laser. This thing is solid. Okay? This is like, wow. But anyway, I'm going to do an unboxing of it. And by the way, all firearms have been safety checked. But anyway, here it is right here. The good people at ShootersGate. All right, the model is VGC. It's a Foregrip laser and tactical flashlight, right? You got your green laser sight. You got the strobe. You got it's rechargeable at that. You know, it's got the USB Type-C rechargeable. It's compatible with 1913 Picatinny rail. It's got the tactical double switch, comfortable non-slip grip. The lumens is 1600 maximum, maximum lumens. The throw is 260 meters. Look at that, y'all. Just look at that. This is just, yeah. This is solid. So I am about to do an unboxing. And as you can see, it comes in a, nice, it's packaged up very, 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 very nice. Look at that, and if you take this part out, you can see it comes with a USB Type-C charging cable. And you got your, all your information, your manual and all that is in there. But let me show y'all. Okay. So, as you can see, this button right here is for the laser. This button right here is for the light settings. You got different light settings where you can go from, from the lower bright, what's the word? You got brightness settings is what I'm trying to say, y'all. All right, I'm got a little rusty at this. Then you got your main light button, and then you got your strobe effect too. So when you first get it, you have to unscrew and then take this little tape part off right there. That way it won't be draining your battery. So you remove that, then put the bottom piece back on, screw the bottom piece back on. And let me say this, it just feels so good in the hand. It's like a rubbery like feel to it. It's slip proof. Your hand is not gonna slip off of this. So you got the main button right here. That's bright, okay? So then you got your strobe effect where you can just press this right here. Okay, that's the different settings. That's the strobe effect right there. Right there. That's the strobe effect. All right. So then you got this right here when you turn the light on. See how it's got the different settings? Like it's got 3 settings. Like, all right, this is like the lowest, medium, and then the highest setting right there. I'm not trying to directly, it's so bright, I don't want to burn out, I don't want to damage my iPad, but yeah, you got your lowest, your mid, wait a minute. All right, yeah, you got your lowest setting, mid, and then bright. For some reason, the mid seem like, I don't know. But you got your different settings on it. Then you got this top button right here, which is the laser. So now, you can see, I'm trying to find the camera lens. Is that it right there? The camera lens. Because I want y'all to see the laser on here. I don't got, wait a minute, maybe if I turn the light off, because you can have them on at the same time, right? So, where can I find where's the lens at? Right here, okay, there it is. So I gotta point it, there we go. So that's the laser lens right there, right? That's the laser lens, but you also could have the light and the laser on at the same time. You know what I'm saying? So really, and then you can put the strobe on too while the laser is on. So see, you can, while the laser is on, you can activate the strobe. So from me testing this right here, the VGC, it's a solid product. I give it a 10 out of a 10. You know what I'm saying? I give it a 10 out of a 10. This, man, if the batteries fell on this, it's solid, man. You can cluck a savage upside the head if a savage try to break in your house and pull a home invasion, and your batteries is low and you out of ammo. You can disconnect it and just chuck them over the head. And by the way, it takes a 1913 Picatinny rail, and you got, it's easy. This thing right here pushes out and you just lock it in. You know what I'm saying? Like you just unscrew it like this, loosen it up like that. And then as you can see, you see how loose it's getting? And then you can just, like that, lock it in on that pick rail. And then tighten the bad boy up, man. Come on. This right here. Hey, ShootersGate, thank you. Thank you for blessing me. This is solid right here, man. You can't beat this right here. Oh, and over here on the side is where you charge it at. It's like a little, see right here on the side, right there, the little rubber thing. That's where you plug in your USB Type-C charging cable right there. See? Right there. You plug it in right there and you charge it so you don't have to buy batteries. How cool is that? How tactical is that? You can buy batteries, but what I'm saying is this battery that come with it is a rechargeable battery. All that information will be in the manual. And by the way, that's the type of battery to take right there. These types right here, the 3.6V. Anyway, all that information will be in the description. And guess what, y'all? The good people at ShootersGate, gave us, Gun Freak Nation, a 10% discount code. Okay? A 10% discount code. And that discount code is my name. I would have, Terry. Okay? The discount code, they made it up, not me. It's my real name. Terry 10. All right? Terry numerals 10. Terry 10. It will be in the description as well as the link I hope I'm gonna try to put the link in there. I know YouTube have got stricter now, so I mean, if I cannot put the link in there, just in your Google, search up search up ShootersGate, and you got it. That's it right there. Like I say, this right here, this is awesome. Awesome. This is an awesome product, man. I mean, wow. That's all I can say. You got a 10% off discount code, Terry10 for the discount code. That's going to be in the description. The link is going to be in the description. Listen, Gun Freak Nation, show ShootersGate. Show them some love, okay? Show them some love, all right? You can't go wrong with it. You know what I'm saying? You cannot go wrong with it. Matter of fact, I am going to kill the lights. I mean, y'all actually see how bright this is, right? Y'all see how bright. I mean, but what I'm going to do, usually I go in my backyard, but let me see. Let me kill some lights right quick, y'all. Let me kill these lights. Let me turn this computer monitor off, because I want it to be like completely hold on. There we go. Alright. We got the monitor off. And let's turn this light off. And wow. Y'all see how bright that is? See how bright that is? Like, the whole room is basically like just lit up. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And this is the lowest setting right here. That's the brightest setting. So, Gun Freak Nation, listen. You got a 10% discount code. The discount code is Terry10. Come on, man. You cannot go wrong with ShootersGate VGC, man. So show some love. And once again, shout out to ShootersGate for sending this awesome product. Thank you so much. Send me more. Send me more. Please send me more. If it's quality like this, man, send me more. Send me all you got. You hear me? Anyway, Gun Freak Nation, I love y'all. Stay safe out there. Stay armed. Stay responsible with your firearms. And most importantly, be ready to send a savage to Funky Town. Salute y'all. Yeehaw!